Hello, my lovely friends. Today I'll be sharing with you the healthiest apple muffin recipe without flour, without sugar, for you to live a healthy life, stay in shape, lose your calories, and maintain a healthy body size. Yeah, so I ate this continuously for a week and I love the results. This will help you lose your weight because it has less calories and very it digests so fast. Like, I'll share with you the benefits, but very quickly, the first thing you need is apple, of course. So you need one apple. You want to get your apple, wash thoroughly, and use a grate to grate it like you see me doing. Apples are very good because they contain large amounts of dietary fiber you need to help you boost your metabolism and lose your calories so fast. It digests, your system digests and breaks this down so fast. Plus, it brings in that beautiful flavor into your recipe without you having to add other kinds of sweeteners that are not healthy. One ingredient I use, banana, which is equally very filling, contains potassium, helps to boost your system, foil your system with energy as well to burn fats. Plus, it brings in that beautiful flavor in your recipe without you having to add sugars. So this is where you don't add any kinds of sugar in here. You get the natural flavors from these healthy fruits that will equally leave in a lot of health benefits like nutrients into your system for utmost health. Like, this is so good. So you want to mash the banana well with the apple together, and once you get this consistency, you want to go ahead and add in some olive oil. Olive oil is healthy. Please don't use any other. You can use olive oil or coconut oil. You want to measure half a cup of olive oil and add in there. This equally helps to foil your system to burn fat. Healthy fats foil your system to burn fat rather than the bad fats from vegetable oil. So you want to add in some vanilla. That is a teaspoon of vanilla. And you add in 2 eggs. Very good, very filling as well. Protein is very good if you're looking to gain some muscles and lose that bad fats in your system, and you have a lot of protein in your egg. You add in 2 eggs. You want to mix all these wet ingredients to one consistency, like have everything all nice and smooth. And once you get these, the next thing you want to get is your oats. Yes, oats are very healthy, guys. Your system breaks this down so fast, it digests so fast. You visit your restroom without anything storing up, causing belly fat and weight gain. These are the kinds of foods you want to eat that your system can easily break down in the morning, so that way you don't eat those heavy calories your system cannot break down, and you end up with all the excess weight in your system, belly fat and the rest. So you want to blend this up so well and have it really nice and smooth. And yeah, so this is how you get your oat flour. So once you blend this, you get your oat flour. So you want to, if you can blend in, like, blend a lot and store some for later use. This is how you achieve your oat flour. So once you get this, you want to scoop out 2 cups of oat flour from your blended oats. Yeah, 2 cups. So 2 cups will give you 7 of the apple oatmeal muffins. Very healthy. So this is it. Put in 2 cups in there and you're good. So once you get that in there, the next thing you want to add is your baking powder. So this is a teaspoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of baking powder. You go ahead and add in half a teaspoon of baking soda. So that is half a teaspoon. You add a pinch of cinnamon or nutmeg. So you can add a pinch of cinnamon, like half a teaspoon of cinnamon or half a teaspoon of nutmeg, depending on your flavor you want, and mix everything all to one consistency. And yeah, so once you make sure you mix everything to one consistency, so the baking soda and baking powder like gets everywhere, it doesn't stay on a certain area. And so once you get that, you want to add in whatever you want to garnish with. So this is coconut flakes. I always add to make this so yummy. Remember, I said this is very healthy and yummy. Once you add that coconut flake in there, like, it makes everything so heavenly, so nice. That is optional. If you don't have coconut flakes, that is fine, but it makes everything, that coconut flavor. And I equally garnish with some apple as well. So once you're eating, you get that apple, like, you choose some of those apples, like like how you put in raisins. This is what I use in the place of raisins. So you want to mix everything all nice and you are good. Very simple and very healthy plus very yummy. So you want to scoop in your pan. I always put in those sheets so it is easier for me to take off. But if you don't have these baking sheets, you can always spray, or you can always spray or your pan with olive oil or coconut oil, yeah, just to have the muffins come out easy. So yeah, this is it. Make sure your oven was already, like, you preheated your oven to 350. So preheat your oven to 350 or 275 depending on how long you want to leave it there, but maximum should be 350. And you put your stuff in the oven and bake for 25 minutes, 20 to 25 minutes, depending on the color you want. If you want it so brown, you can leave it longer, but 25 minutes is fine. Once you bake for 25 minutes on 350, you'll be fine, and that is it. So after 25 minutes in your oven, you can just take everything out. And you know if you have a bigger family, you can double this, and so everyone enjoy. So, but if you are alone, you can do this for 7 days. So this is seven. You eat one of these each morning. Like, just one of these fills me up, and I always go with it with a glass of maybe almond milk, just to fill my tummy up, because almond milk is very healthy as well. So just one of these as breakfast fills you up without loading your system with those calories, causing belly fat and weight gain. That is a secret. I did this for a week and I lost calories. Guys. You want to share this video with your family and friends. Make sure you try this recipe. Come back and tell me how you feel about it, and I'll see you again in my next video. Thank you for your time. Thank you for watching, and bye.